Lanus triple camera 4K drone review. Real 4K or fake? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. And if you're looking at the Lanus triple camera drone and wondering whether the 4K label is real or just marketing, this will give you a clear answer fast. Lanus is sold as a beginner-friendly drone with 3 cameras and easy controls. It is aimed at people who want aerial shots without paying for an expensive brand. The main promise is simple flying, multiple camera angles, and sharp video. Setup is simple. You charge the battery, snap it into the drone, unfold the arms, and connect your phone to the controller using the app. Once connected, the camera view shows on your screen right away. Flying is easy for beginners. It lifts off and lands with one button and can hover in one place. The controls respond well, but the drone is very light so wind can push it around. Calm weather works best. Now for the big question. Is the 4K real? The footage does not look like true high-end 4K. Even if the app says 4K, the video appears closer to lower resolution that has been stretched. In daylight, it looks decent for fun clips, but fine details are soft. In low light, quality drops quickly. The triple camera feature sounds impressive, but only one camera records at a time. The others mainly change viewing angles. It adds variety, but not better quality. Stability is another weakness. There is no strong built-in stabilizer, so video can look shaky when the drone moves fast. Slow flying gives better results. Battery life is short, usually under 10 minutes per flight, which is normal for small drones but still limiting. So is it real 4K or fake? It is not true 4K like premium drones use. The label is mostly marketing. The video is fine for social media and casual use, not serious filming. Is it a scam? No. It flies, records, and works as a basic drone, but it is not a professional camera drone either. It fits beginners who want something affordable and fun to learn with. If real 4K quality is the goal, this will disappoint. If expectations are simple, it can still be enjoyable.